it! Look at this stuff! I can't even walk on the damn sidewalk. I can't even walk on the sidewalk. And look at this over here. Look at this. Oh, dang. Oh, shit. Look at this madness. Look at this fucking madness. Look at it, I got wings coming over here. Oh, here comes this bus. Let's look at this bus. Oh shit, here comes a fucking wave. Look at this shit. Look at this. This is some madness right here. But you gotta love it. You gotta love this rain. You gotta love this rain right here. Look at this idiot right here. Look at this guy. He's gonna get stalled the fuck out. He's gonna stall out right here. I'm waiting for him to just stall out right now. You better go, buddy. You better just punch it. You're gonna stall it. Oh, that guy just stalled it right there. This is not a street anymore. This is a river right here. This is just crazy. Crazy funny. Look at this stuff. Look at this guy. Better not stop. Better keep going, buddy. That guy stalled. Let's go look at this guy. He stalled. He stalled his car. Got it? Yeah, it stalled his car. Going too slow, going through the puddles. Oh, this is too funny. I'm up here, protected on the high roots. Let's watch this guy. Power through that. Power through it, power through it, power through it. Shoo! Look at it. Creates a wave. Let's watch these people. Let's watch this guy. Do it! Do it! This is a rainstorm right here. This is good stuff. Watch this guy. Woo! Man, thank God I didn't go out driving over here. Shit. This is just nuts. I was hoping to, oh, there it is. I was hoping to go over there where that little riverbed is. Oh, keep driving. Keep driving. I was hoping to go over there to see what the little creek looks like, but I can see it from here. It's flooded. It is flooded. Damn, I've never seen it this bad, ever.